Hi. First, I wish you all happy Easter. And I wish that you spend this holidays with your family and friends. In today's video I will show you how to reset network settings on Windows 10. If you have experiencing any difficulties with your internet connection, or your network adapter, or you have made some changes, and you are not satisfied, you can go and reset all network setting. Take the time, while I come back to hit that like button. To reset your network settings on Windows 10 computer, go to Start, left-click and select Settings. Here, select Network and Internet. On the left side, you need to be on Status option. And then at the bottom of this page, you will see Network Reset option. So click on it. Before you click on Reset Now, read this text here. It says, "This will remove then reinstall all your network adapters, and set other networking components back to their original settings." You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Also, save all your open projects if you have any, because after completing network reset, your Windows will need to restart. When you are ready, click on Reset Now, and follow the steps. I hope that this reset helped you to resolve issues that you had with your network. And if it did, please hit that like button, and also subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next Easy Way tutorial. Bye.